Hello, in this video I want to show you how to block websites on Mercusys router. And to do this, first we'll need to open a configuration website, which is mwlogin.net. And here you will need to log in with your credentials. By default, it's admin. Now move to network control, select access control, and here you can activate or deactivate it. Make sure that it's enabled if you want to set it up. There's a whitelist and blacklist. When you select whitelist, you'll be able to add websites and only websites that you'll be able to view, so everything else will be blocked. When you select blacklist, you'll be able to add websites that you will block. And in this case, we're gonna go for blacklist, add, description, no, hosts under control, configure, and here you can adjust the host description, their IP address and IP address range. Let's close it for now. Then the target, configure any target or add specific one. Again, description, mode, IP address or website domain, and here you need to enter your website domain like YouTube/ and etc. Then we have the schedule. You can configure the schedule when does it block, and anytime it will block it all the time, or add a specific day or hour when it's blocked. And here we can delete the specific blocks or save them like that. And then there's also option to delete all, delete selected, or add additional websites that we're gonna block. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.